What if you could find a goldmine of time in your daily grind, tackling endless emails, notes, and CRM updates? Not just minutes, but hours. Imagine reclaiming 3 extra hours every single day. Hours for new ideas, planning, learning, or just living. Sounds like a dream, especially when work smarter, not harder feels like a joke, right? But what if it's real? What if the key isn't another tired productivity hack, but a powerful automation working silently to crush energy-draining tasks? I discovered a game-changing combo, ChatGPT and Zapier, that reshaped my workday. Today, I'm showing you the exact secret to reclaim those hours. Stick around. This is a practical productivity revolution. First, the core concept, why this is a game changer. What's the secret? It's not just using ChatGPT for drafts or Zapier for simple links. The magic is an automated workflow where ChatGPT's intelligence meets Zapier's connectivity to crush repetitive tasks like emails, meeting notes, and CRM updates. These crucial but time-consuming chores become automated. ChatGPT becomes an active part of your workflow, and Zapier becomes your automation hub. This isn't about saving minutes. It's about fundamentally changing how work gets done, moving tasks from your to-do list to a 24/7 automated process. Emails, notes, CRM, they're perfect for this AI-powered automation. That's where your 3 extra hours are hidden. The secret is knowing how to connect these systems for maximum impact. Next, setting the stage. What you'll need before the how-to. Let's cover the essentials. It's simpler than you think, and the setup time pays off massively. First, a Zapier account, the glue for our automations. Free plans exist, but for powerful multi-step zaps, consider their paid options. Second, OpenAI API access for ChatGPT. This allows Zapier to task ChatGPT. Get your API key from OpenAI and keep it secure for the Zapier connection. Third, accounts for the apps you'll automate. Your email, Gmail, Outlook, meeting platform, Zoom, Google Meet for notes, and your CRM. Finally, a willingness to experiment. I'm giving you a blueprint, but real power comes from customizing it to your needs, building your personal AI assistant. Next, Automation Deep Dive 1. Taming your inbox first up. Taming your inbox, a major time drain. Imagine routine questions answered, important messages flagged, and draft replies waiting, all automated. People report saving 1 to 2 hours daily with this. Here's the plan. In Zapier, set a trigger, new email in Gmail for instance. Use filters to target specific emails, avoiding spam. Next, an action where ChatGPT steps in. Choose Send Prompt in Zapier. Your prompt is crucial. Example, analyze this email. If it's a common question about X, draft a polite answer using our FAQ. If urgent, summarize and suggest priority. Then, another action for ChatGPT's response. Zapier creates a draft reply in Gmail for your review, or for truly routine items, carefully automates sending. Benefits? Automate repetitive answers, ensure consistent communication, and free up mental energy for critical emails. Even semi-automating 30% of emails means massive time savings, a big step to those 3 hours. Automation Deep Dive 2, Mastering Meeting Mayhem. Next, let's conquer meeting mayhem. The note-taking, action items, summaries. Automate this and save 30 to 60 minutes per meeting. Here's how. The Zapier trigger could be new recording in Zoom or a calendar event ended, filtered for meetings. Some platforms directly integrate when transcripts are ready. First, action. Get the transcript. Zapier might grab it directly or use a transcription service, even OpenAI's Whisper via API for audio files. Next, action. Send the transcript to ChatGPT. Prompt example. Read this transcript, list key decisions and action items with assignments. Summarize main topics and outcomes. Final Zapier actions. Take ChatGPT's output and email attendees the summary and action items. Create tasks in Asana, Trello, or Monday.com. Save notes to a shared Google Doc or Slack. This means being more present in meetings, never missing action items, and faster distribution of clear summaries, boosting team efficiency and reclaiming your time. Next, Automation Deep Dive 3. Conquering your CRM. Now let's conquer your CRM. Keeping it updated is a slog. Automate new lead handling, contact record completion, and follow-up tasks to save at least 30 minutes daily while boosting data accuracy. The plan? The Zapier trigger depends on your CRM, new lead in Salesforce or HubSpot, new form submission, or a filtered new email from a potential client. Action: send lead info to ChatGPT. Prompt example: analyze this new lead, suggest 2-3 qualifying questions. Draft a personalized welcome email snippet. Identify missing standard info. For support tickets, triggered by email or help desk. Summarize this customer ticket. Suggest priority. If it matches known issues, draft a first response or suggest internal next steps. Zapier actions after ChatGPT. Update CRM records with ChatGPT's notes, questions, or sentiment. Create CRM tasks for sales reps, including drafted email snippets. Send Slack notifications for new leads or urgent tickets. Faster responses, quicker issue resolution, and richer CRM data, all with less manual work. This is key to getting those hours back. Next, the secret sauce revealed, connecting the dots and customization. We've covered emails, meetings, and each saves time. But the real secret to unlocking 3 extra hours daily? It's these automations working together, an ecosystem where information flows intelligently, with ChatGPT as the brain and Zapier as the digital workhorse. The secret sauce isn't one zap. It's the strategy of identifying your high-volume, low-complexity tasks and applying this ChatGPT Zapier method. Ask, where does my time go on tasks AI could handle? Customization is vital. My prompts are starting points. Fine-tune them to your needs, company voice, and workflows. Maybe your email AI uses a specific tone for clients, or meeting actions feed your personal to-do list app in a specific format. Test and tweak. Zapier lets you see data flow and adjust. This iterative process makes your automations truly powerful, like a custom-tailored suit. Your personalized system will feel like an extension of your brain, proactively handling digital grunt work. This isn't replacing you. It's augmenting your decision-making so you can do less reacting, more leading. Next, real results and the impact. With these automations running, the impact is transformative. You're not battling an overflowing inbox. You're reviewing AI-drafted replies. Post-meeting notes? You're approving AI-generated summaries. Your CRM becomes an intelligent, self-managing hub. This is where those 3 extra hours materialize, through smart, targeted automation. Shift your brainpower to strategy, creativity, and important interactions, while your AI system handles the rest. This freedom and focus are the real rewards. Feeling inspired? You should be! The power to reclaim your workday is right here. This can be a game changer for you, just like it was for me. My challenge: pick one area, email, meetings, or CRM, and build your first ChatGPT Zapier automation this week. Just one. Experience those initial time savings. Pick one area. Set up your first automation. In 30 minutes, you'll wonder why you ever did it manually. Then come back and tell me how it went. If this sparked ideas hit like, it helps the channel. Subscribe and click the bell for more automation deep dives and advanced prompting tricks. And tell me in the comments, what's the first task you'll automate? Or what's your biggest win so far? Let's build a community of time-rich, super productive people. Conclusion. Stop dreaming about more time. The tools and strategy are here. The secret's out. Now go beyond hearing about it. Do it. Build these automations and create those extra hours for yourself starting today. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more productivity secrets.